So you're saying that not only in the future do I invent a time machine, I somehow end up 6 inches tall.
Yep, to be honest though, it's not much of a change there, Stumpy.
Rude? And why are you talking in a stupid accent?
Yeah, I've seen some stuff. Yeah, well look, it's about time for me to go buy a watch. So I'm gonna have to go, but I tell you what, we're gonna run into each other real soon, I'm sure. So, be you later?
Well, okay then. Welcome to Imagination Labs. Paul Emperor, I knew you well. Nope. Maybe I could paint Darth Mickey's. Man, I'm just not feeling it. Totally out of ideas for experiments. I just don't know what to do. Quick, what year is this? It's 2020. Okay, good. I'm not too late. You're gonna need this. Sit. What? And don't forget, don't go past 6. You'll know what I mean. It's an Elegoo Mars Resin Printer. Cool. I guess that's what we're doing today. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Alright. Let's magically get rid of all this packing material, shall we? Ta-da! Yes, that's right. Tell them what they get in their package. They get a metal spatula. Great for taking off those prints. They get a torque screwdriver thing. You also get a plastic thing, which probably is useless. And you also get a wad of... That's right, a wad of gloves. Useful for not getting resin on your hands. What's next, John? It's a small measuring cup made out of plastic. Wow, this is a great prize package. Oh, and you also get power accessories. Useful for all your power needs. And you get a build plate. Look, it even spins. You also get tools and replacement screw heads. Ha ha! This is amazing. Oh, and you also get filters. Want to get those little bits of plastic out of your resin? Use these filters. And you get useless masks. Hey, it was great you put them in there, but they probably don't block anything. And you also get this thing, which I think might be some kind of thing you put on there to drip your tray off. Oh, and clippers! Yes, flush mount clippers, the most useful thing. And a USB drive. Comes complete with test print files. That's right, John. That's what you get. Oh, there's more. You get a vat that you put your resin in, or something. Oh, and you also get a UV resistant cover. going over your shiny new machine. And that's what you get there today on Elegoo Mars.
It was at this point that the Rev Chumley realized that he could not... Oh, wait a minute, he's going to say something. I'll be right back.
One thing, this printer does not come with resin, so make sure to buy your own.
As I was saying, it was at this point that the Rev Chumley realized that there was no more fun, only reading instructions and carefully going over the printer, making sure he leveled the bed, properly using a piece of paper, and then that he had everything screwed down correctly, and that upon reading more of the laborsome tome that was the 5-page manual, that he had to put in the resin, donning his safety gear of the rubber glove and the mask, which did not seem to do much, as it was just kind of a little paper mask and not really much of nothing, but that's okay. The resin wasn't really that stinky, like everyone had said. He sort of fumbled through the setup and got everything going. So let's sit back and watch the wild Rev Chumley as he figures out how to do his first print.
I let it run. Took about 4 hours. So I let it run overnight. It looks like everything is completed. Let's get this thing out of here and check out our prints. This thing is useful. Oh, I should really have my gloves on. Okay, I gotta say that this machine is really impressive. There was what, like 15 minutes set up on this last night. Poured the resin in, leveled the bed, stuck in the USB, hit go, woke up the next morning to absolutely perfect test prints. Let's just put this away. So, amazing printer. This is the regular. They do have the Pro out now. Hopefully one of these days I'll get a Pro, be able to compare them. But for now, coming from the FDM world, which I've done for years, standard depositing, plastic printing, this thing is a game changer. I'm definitely going to be doing some minis on this thing. We'll maybe get into VR, sculpt some miniatures and print them out on this. So look forward to that in a future video. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me for my first Imagination Labs video. Hopefully more to come. And don't forget to hit subscribe and click the little bell if you want notifications for our future episodes. Hope you had fun, and we'll see you next time.